Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday's Maths Input, and we are still continuing to think about subtraction and the crossing 10 method. Monday we did that practically, moving the counters or pasta or Lego out of your tens frame. Yesterday we did it pictorially, so drawing it and crossing it out. And today we're thinking of it using a number line. So this is a little example of one, and then we can have a practice together. So we need to start on the number we're subtracting from. So in this example, that is the number 14, the bigger number. Then you want to jump back until you get to 10. So just like we did with our tens frames, you wanted to get back to just your 10 in the tens frame, didn't you? So to get back to 10, I've done that in a pink colour. So that was 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. So that was one of my parts, 4. And then I knew I wanted to take away 5 in total. So I've already taken away 4. So I knew I needed to take away 1 more. So I've done that in green, which made me land on my number 9. So that helped me work out my answer. So we're now going to have a go at doing that together. So we're still only thinking of 6, 7, 8 and 5 taking away from, as those are the numbers we've partitioned. And we're now going to do it on our number line. So which number do you think I'm going to start on? Number 11, as this is the bigger number and the number we are subtracting from. So I'm going to start here. The first step was to jump back until I get to 10. So I'm on 11. Oh, and I'm already at 10. And that is 1 jump. So that is one of my parts. However, I didn't want to take away only 1. I wanted to take away 7. So I'm going to put 1 in my head and count on until I get to 7. 1 in my head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The other part is 6. I'm going to do that in blue, and then I'm going to do 6 jumps back from 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just to make sure, I'm going to put a number in them all so I can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, it's very tricky. Do it on a laptop. 6. Brilliant job. And then I just need to see the number I landed on, which was 4. So 4 is my answer. 11 take away 7 equals 4. Okay, let's try this one together. Which number will I need to start on this time? 14. Why 14? It is the number that we are subtracting from. Next step is to jump back until I get to 10, and I'm going to do that in pink. So I'm on 14, I want to get back to 10. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. If I wasn't sure, I would just go back and add my numbers. And I stopped at 10. Why? Because we were trying to get back to 10. So one part is 4, as that took me back to 10, but I didn't want to take just away 4, I wanted to take away 6. So I need to work out my other part to take away. 4 in my head, counting on to 6. 4, 5, 6. The other part is 2, and I'm going to do that in green. And then I need to take that away. 1, 2. 1, 2. And the number I've landed on is 8. So 8 is my answer. 14 take away 6 equals 8. Let's do another one. We're taking away 8 this time. Which number must I start on? 15. Fantastic. Why 15? It is the number we are subtracting from. Second step, I need to jump back until I get to 10. Do that in one colour. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6. Oh, what has Miss Clark done? She's made a marvellous mistake, because where are we jumping to? Only to 10. Okay, so let's go back then and count the jumps until 10, as I only wanted to go back to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. 5 jumps. So one part is 5. Have I taken it all away? Oh no, I've only taken away 5, and I want to take away 8. 5 in your head, count on to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 is the other part. Then what do we do? Jump back 3 from this number. 1, 2, 3. I've landed on the number 7. 15, take away 8 is 7. Let's do one more together, and then I will show you today's challenge. The number I'm starting on is 13. Fantastic. Why 13? The number we're subtracting from. It's the biggest number. Next job is to jump back until I get to 10. 1, 2, 3. I'm landed on 10. That was 1, 2, 3 jumped. One part is 3. Have I taken away everything I need to take away? No, because I need to take away 6. 3 in your head, count on to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. The other part is 3. Can you see each time I've changed colours to make it really obvious my 2 different partition parts that I've taken away. Going back 3. 1, 2, 3. I've landed on the number 7. 13 take away 6 is 7. So you can nicely see that I have taken away 3 and that I've taken away 3, because I've partitioned 6 into the parts 3 and 3. So today then, lovelies, that is exactly what you are going to do. Again, you have got a nice example here and a little instruction here to remind you. So I started on 13 and then I went back until I got to 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 in blue, 3 shown here. But I didn't want to take away just 3, I wanted to take away 7. 3 in my head, count on to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 was the other part, and that is shown in green. And then I've landed there. So here you need to write what number? 6. And that is what you are going to do for the rest of these questions. Remember to use your 2 colouring pencils, as that will really make it nice and simple for you to do your 2 partitioning parts of your whole, taking that away from always the number that's at the start, the biggest number. If you fly through that and you fancy a little challenge, the challenge today is this here. It says Jill starts at 13 and jumps back to 10 and then to 6. But what is the number sentence that she did? Which is the correct calculation? You've got to tick the one you think it is. And then Jill's tried to work out 17 take away 8. You've got to decide if partitioning it with 4 and 4 was the best way to do that. Remembering what we're doing today, which is to get back to 10 and then take away the rest. So I hope you enjoyed today's input, and I cannot wait to see, Norca Miss Evans, the amazing maths you get up to on this lovely Wednesday. Bye everybody, have a great day.